Welcome and thank you for joining this demo of Oakwood's AscendHPC platform. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to run an HPC lab using AscendHPC. In this example, leveraging Ansys Fluent to submit, execute, and retrieve simulation results. You'll begin by receiving an invitation email to the AscendHPC application. Your username will be your email address, and your temporary password will be included in that invitation. Let's go ahead and log in. After signing in, the terms and conditions must be accepted before we can proceed. Then, you'll see two main options: run a pre-configured file or upload your own file. For this demo, we'll choose Run a Pre-Configured Lab. From here, you'll land on the welcome screen given a summary of the steps to come. Let's get started. In step 1, AscendHPC would prompt us to upload the input file that Fluent will process if we had chosen to upload our own file. But since we have gone with the pre-configured lab, this has been done for us. In step 2, we can see the uploaded file and the default command line parameter that will be used for this lab. Next, we'll choose the hardware configuration. AscendHPC organizes compute options into small, medium, and large configurations. These are optimized using NVIDIA-based GPU and CPU SKUs designed for different workloads. For this demo, we'll stick with the small configuration, which is selected by default. Once everything looks good, we'll continue and begin execution. In step 3, AscendHPC shows the full deployment process with real-time status updates. Every task in the pipeline is tracked and displayed as your lab moves through initialization and execution. While the simulation runs, we can explore the Learnings tab. Here, you'll find curated resources to help you better understand the lab type, workload considerations, and best practices. Now let's briefly look behind the scenes in the Azure environment where AscendHPC orchestrates the compute resources. Inside the Azure portal, we can open the batch account associated with AscendHPC. Here, we can see the pool created specifically for this run. Nodes move through several lifecycle states, creating, starting, then idle until the job is ready. Once the simulation is queued, the nodes shift into running. Next, we'll examine the job created for this lab. We see the active task executing our Fluent job. Opening the task, we can view the working directory and watch files being created as the simulation progresses. Reviewing the standard output, we can see Fluent's execution log in real time. Returning to the AscendHPC application, we see the same output available directly within the interface. Scrolling to the bottom of the output, the system reports that the lab has completed successfully. In step 4, we can download the results package. Opening the zip file, we'll find the original journal and case files and the output files generated during the simulation. Because the lab has already run successfully, it cannot be re-executed. However, you can always return to this completed run to review logs, outputs, or re-download the result files. You've now seen how to run an Ansys Fluent lab end-to-end using Oakwood's AscendHPC platform, from uploading your input file, selecting NVIDIA-backed compute resources, monitoring execution, and reviewing results. Thank you for your time.